today we have a real treat for you. Today we are going to take a look at an animal that is so rarely observed it really is amazing, and I think you're all going to really learn something as today we look at the human animal. Here we are in Themoorish Castle, and in amongst the woods we catch our first glimpse of humans. Here's one quietly having lunch, and maybe if we're very careful, behind this tree there is a pack of them feeding the leftovers of some bread. Let's see if we can get a closer look. We must try not to startle them. Getting very close now. Here we see the unusual communal activity that they share. The male of the species exerts his power by drinking first, while the smaller females munch on the sandwich. Here we see another phenomenon that is not practiced by any other species on planet Earth. It is that of humans going over the habitat of where their ancestors trod some 2,000 years ago. We're really not sure why they still do this, what they hope to learn. Now their building techniques are far more advanced than that were enjoyed in these times, and yet still they come in their thousands every year. It is a very, very sad habit. Here, one's coming near us now. We're being attacked. We must go. Here we're observing an unusual ritual, again specific to humans. They place such importance on things they collect, and here they have lost a piece of paper, merely a fraction of a tree that they could just pick up over the hill, but they attach specific meaning to certain ones, and now frantically they search for them. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first episode. If anyone likes it, I may include another one. I do have more footage. Thanks for tuning in. I'm not quite David Attenborough, but maybe I could be next year. Goodbye.